All right, welcome back. Let's talk some crypto. JP Morgan today thinks that the pressure is going to remain on crypto for the near term, at least. You own, what you own, the IBIT?
IBIT, yep, IBIT and Ethereum.
You don't own Coinbase anymore?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
So what do you think? You agree with the call?
Yeah, just look at the technicals. 82,000's the 200-day for Bitcoin. You really can't look at IBIT. It hasn't been around enough. This is an asset class, or this is security, or whatever you're going to call it, a commodity, that the buyers come in on drawdowns and buy the dip every time. We've seen numerous 30, 50, 70% drawdowns. They come in every time, and then it makes new highs. And so I think we definitely have a Congress that is pro-crypto. I think the SEC will be pro-crypto. The White House is pro-crypto. And so I think we're going to have a good 4 years. But understand volatility is the price of admission if you are going to tiptoe into this space.
What about Josh Brown? Is he pro-crypto? That's the question. Don't you own some? You own Bitcoin, don't you?
No, we own it. Like we were one of the first RIAs to create a way for people to access it. We did that right before it topped for 2 years. Now it's twice as high, so nobody's really mad at us. But I don't know. I keep hearing pro-crypto, but in the meantime, the price action says, all right, sure, but everybody already understands that. So until they actually start to accumulate like $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion worth of Bitcoin and like report that they own it, I don't know how much more mileage you get out of tweets and announcements. So tomorrow is like the event. Do you know who's going? Are you going?
No.
Do you know anyone that's going? I'm assuming Saylor.
I'm sure.
So here, like tomorrow, is it a freak show? Is it all pump and dump people from Twitter, or is it like Larry Fink? I don't know. Like we're gonna find out together.
Maybe all of the above.
Yeah. So I'm in. I own it. I love you. I love you all, Bitcoin people.
All right. Let's do some calls, some other calls, but besides the JP Morgan one. You got it again, Josh. 3M reiterated overweight today at Barclays, best insulated from the tariff impact, they say, or certainly on the list.
Yeah, very domestically focused. It's a turnaround story. I doubt that there'll be no fallout from tariffs if the whole economy slows. Of course, 3M will feel it, but the stock's hanging in there, acting better than most of its peers, and I think that's exactly why. And again, I'm not looking for the hardest hit stocks to buy. I'm focusing on what's hanging in there the best, because if and when we turn, I think that'll be the new leadership. I want to stay long here.
Freeport upgraded Bryn at Deutsche Bank today.
Yeah, well, obviously we had the tariff talks yesterday. I've been looking at this to add to it. I haven't done it yet. They have gold and copper exposure. This is a commodity. If you're going to play in the commodity space, you really want to buy them low. Don't follow the momentum. Sell them when they're running up. But this here at 30, 36, 37, I think that this looks like a good entry point that actually could have some legs the remainder of the year.
Joe, I got a few stocks for you, but the one that stands out to me is First Solar, because the price target got cut by a bunch at Janney to 171 from 256. They still like it, but they've dialed back their expectations.
I agree with cutting the price target. I disagree with them on liking it because I don't like it at all. It's near a 52-week low. It's down 52% from its high from last summer, and the momentum is broken.
Okay, say no more.
Say no more.
I don't think you have to.